Hanji, good morning everybody. Now we have a next lecture on the Laplace transform, lecture number 3. In this lecture we will discuss problem of Laplace by using definition. Now we all know that Laplace of any function ft is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st ft dt. Whenever we have given in the problem that you have to solve the problem using a definition, then we have to use this formula. Okay. Question number 1. Find Laplace of function ft 3t plus 4 by definition. So by definition means we have to use this formula and we have to find its Laplace. Now we know that Laplace of function ft is given by formula 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st ft dt. What is here ft? Ft is 3t plus 4. Now it is an integration problem and we know that in integration we can solve integrals using first and second function. This is my first function, this is my second function. How to integrate? Everybody know exponential integration e raised to power minus st divided by minus s, limits infinity to 0 minus first function as it is derivative of second. Okay, after simplifying this result, taking 1 minus 1 by s common, we can write like this. Here take common 3 plus 3 by s, again integrate e raised to minus st upon minus s, infinity to 0. Now just putting the limits, when we put infinity here, it is 0 by 0 form. Okay, it is not defined form. By L'Hospital rule, you can simplify it and it is 0 because e raised to infinity is 0. On putting 0t, this becomes 0, this is 4. And similarly we put infinity, this is 0. As we know that e raised to power infinity is infinity, e raised to power infinity is 0. So this first part becomes 0. On putting 0, we get minus 1. Okay, and minus s is taken common. On simplification, we get 4 by s, 3 by s square. So in definition, you just apply the formula and solve integral. Next one, find the Laplace transform of the function ft for 0 to 1, 3t greater than 1. And we know that it is a formula for integration. Laplace 0 to infinity e raised to minus st ft dt. Since function is break at t is equal to 1, so break the integral 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. When it is 0 to 1, value of the function is 4. But when it is 1 to infinity, it is greater than t greater than 1 means 1 to infinity, it is value is 3. Now it is a very simple problem of integration. After doing integration, by putting the limits, you can evaluate its answer. Is it okay? You can take its screenshot and solve it simultaneously, side by side. Okay. Now we are taking another example. Find Laplace transform of the function ft is equal to mod t minus t plus mod t plus t greater than equal to 0. One thing I want to say that in the Laplace transformation, t is always greater than. So if we put t is equal to, this term is equal to 0, we get t is equal to 2. If we put this term is equal to 0, we get t is equal to minus 2. So t is equal to 2 only possible. It means we will break the function from 0 to 2 and we will break the function 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. That is t greater than 2. When t is lying between 0 and 2, then this part becomes negative. So open the modulus, we can write like this. This is the positive part. When t is greater than 2, this term and this term, both terms are positive. Okay. On simplification, it becomes minus t cancel with t, it becomes 4 and it becomes 2t only. Now function is broken into two parts. Now you can do Laplace by simple formula 0 to infinity e raised to minus ft dt. Since function is break at 2 points, so you can break it 0 to 2 e minus st ft dt, 2 to infinity. Now what is function for 0 to 2? 4. What is function for 2 to infinity? When t is greater than 2, it is a 2t. It is a simple integration e raised to minus st divided by minus s, upper limit, lower limit. Now in the previous part, you can write here t and t approaches to infinity. So here we have to do integration using parts. This is our first function, this is our second function. First function as it is, integration of second minus integral first function integration derivative of second. Okay, on the first part, put limit t is equal to 2 minus lower limit 0, minus s is taken common. Okay, now put t limit here as it is, minus put 2 here and 2 here, t approaches to infinity. Same way, on integrating this term we get this term. And the last portion, now we have to take t approaches to infinity. So this term becomes 0, this term will remains, this term remains also, becomes also 0, because e raised to minus infinity 0. On simplification you get this answer. Basically in definition you just have to do integration problem. You first apply the formula, then do the problems using formula. You apply the formula, then solve the problem using the integration. One more question, students. Look at the problem. Find the Laplace transform of the function cos t minus 2 pi by 3 t greater than 2 pi by 3 0. So by using definition, this is formula for definition. Break the function at 2 pi by 3, 0 to 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 to infinity. When t is less than 2 pi by 3, this part becomes 0. So first integral is 0, and when it is greater than t, so this is function ft. Okay. Now you have to evaluate this thing. Okay. So how to evaluate this thing? You can simplify it using put t minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to pi. So dt is equal to dy. It becomes like this. Taking s 2 pi by 3 common, we get this thing. Now what is this? This is a standard integral. 0 to infinity. Yeah, you can write like it is a Laplace of cos phi. This is the Laplace of cos phi, and we know the formula for cos phi, s upon s k plus 1. In this way, in this video you have learned how to find Laplace of different functions using definitions. Thank you very much.